Good morning. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. And whenever you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your body begin to soften. And as you arrive, mentally and physically, take a moment to check in with yourself. What is it like to be you in this moment? Really investigate with a curiosity and don't judge anything that you find. Don't label it as good or bad. There's no need to change anything. Just notice. Take 3 deep conscious breaths into your body. And with every inhale, feel the breath filling your whole body with fresh and new energy. And with every exhale, let go of what you don't need. Now, bring to mind 3 things you feel grateful for this morning. It can be very simple, like the warmth of your bed, or the light coming through your window, or the fact that your body is breathing for you and carries you, or something deeper, like being alive, having another chance to create, to love, to grow. Whatever it is, let that gratitude fill your heart and feel it spreading through your whole body like a wave. From this space of gratitude, I invite you to set an intention for today. Maybe it's, I want to be kind to myself today. I choose to stay mindful throughout the day. I want to move closer to my dreams. Whatever resonates with you, repeat it silently. And with every repetition, let it sink in deeper. Feel it as if it's already true. Take one more deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of everything that doesn't serve you. You've already started your day with the most important thing, which is mindfulness, awareness, and gratitude. And this energy will ripple through everything you do today. Gently open your eyes and carry this energy with you throughout your whole day. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. I wish you a wonderful, peaceful day ahead, and I'll see you again soon.